Welcome to the latest FANHOME unboxing. This is the for kits 21 through 26. Just spent the last 2 months been doing unboxings. I had carpal tunnel surgery and still recovering from that, but I should be well enough to start doing some building sometime next week. So hopefully get back into that. I'm looking forward to getting these kits together. These are chassis pieces, which I've been looking forward to build. This set, we got a little extra goodies besides just the kits and the magazines to build this set. We got a binder to put all our magazines in, and that is pretty stiff with nice quality. Got printed on the Batmobile on there. That'd be good to keep our book safe. And we get a scale replica of license plate for the Batmobile. It's a half scale replica of the plate. That's a neat little collector's item there. We'll go through each of the kits, what we get through them, through the magazines. So when we do the build series, we don't have to worry about going through all the books. We'll just start building right away. We're going to start with, set these to the side, we'll start with book number 21, which these correspond with the episodes each year. This is episode 21, The Penguin Goes Straight. Aired March 23rd, 1966. A bird of prey loose among the golden geese is how Batman describes the penguin mixing with his new high society friends. And the comic book series that they go over is The Three Jokers from 2020. It was 4 years ago. It's hard to believe it's already been 4 years since they did that. Little brief summaries of the comics. These and Batman Through the Years, 1958. Detective Comics. And we get Fear Not. Batman will free you from these foul persons. Overweight Batman. And on this kit, we get the shock absorber rod, the shock absorber coil spring, the shock absorber front mount shaft, front upper right suspension arm, steering spindle arm, lower arm ball, upper arm ball, various assortment of screws. That is this kit here. And go through the steps of build. We get the fitting the arm to the ball joint, upper arm assembly, control arm attaching to the chassis, and fitting the upper arm. Getting more and more suspension together. One thing I will do before the next kit, for some glue with a stem like this, for getting like little tight places, because I don't want to start gluing some of these coils, wires and stuff, because they tend to pop off really easily. I'm probably a little more ham-fisted, especially now with that. So I like to be able to have those stay on, because like this battery cable, I can't get it to stay on. It keeps popping off. So a little dab of glue would probably be good for that. On to number 22. Episode 22, March 24th. Not yet, he ain't. The penguin is to take a wife, but his money he really loves. We get comic book series summary of Broken City, 2003-2004 series. War style Twisted Murder. And Year by Year, 1959. Batman with superpowers. This kit we get track rod, left tie rod, right tie rod, idler arm, pitman arm, brake rear, brake front, gasket, left front brake line. Another assortment of screws as well. And we'll be building the steering mechanism. Fitting the steering mechanism. Fitting the front left rear wheel, which is exciting. We finally get to mount the wheel from kit 1, from the shipment 1. I think that was kit 2, the wheel. Fitting the left front wheel. And we can starting to build our roller chassis, which is very cool. That is this kit here. And very cool. And we get book number 23, episode 23. Aired March 31st, 1966. The Riddler is back with a new gang, a new wax crime aid, and a plan to find untold riches, solving a riddle in an ancient book. And we get a summary of the Batman versus the Vampire in 1939. This is really cool here. Golden Age Batman versus a vampire. And that's like Batman in this story. He shoots the character. Back in the day, Batman actually used guns. Detective Comics, 1960. Year by Year Batman. You get the zebra Batman, crazy outfit he wore. We got Batwoman. And we got the Starro. Batmite. World's Finest. In this kit, we're going to start working on the other wheel and tire. We get the outer rim, inner hub assembly. We get no screw on this one. Just snap these together. It's the chrome thigh spoke and the inner structure. That's what it looks like at the end result of that kit. Pretty simple, straightforward kit there. And the book 24, episode 24. Give 'em the Axe. Aired March 31st, 1966. Batman tells the Riddler that he can't buy friends with money, but the Riddler is blinded by greed and doesn't care. And the comic book's summary we got is for The Punch, Not My Evil Son. Brave and the Bold, Batman and the Teen Titans. And Batman Year by Year, 1960. World's Finest. You got Mixelplix and Batmite in the same issue. Superman and Batman. This kit is the tire and the inner wheel and some various screws. We're going to take the outer rim and combine it with these so we can get the rim together. Take the outer part of the rim, put it in the tire, and then you got the inner hub rim screwed together. It's here. You got book 25. The Joker Trumps an Ace. It aired April 6, 1966, episode 25. A new gang, a new plan, and neither are good for Batman and Robin. And this comic book summary is for Dark Victories. It run 1999 to 2000. The saga saw Dick Grayson at last added to the new year one continuity as Batman the mythology was rebuilt bit by bit. Year by year, 1961, Batwoman's junior partner. The blonde Batgirl. That's it. We got the Batwoman as her Batgirl sidekick. The whole Bat family. In this set, we get the front brake, center cap base, rear brake rear, gasket, right front brake line, and various sorts of screws. We'll be fitting the brake line, fitting the brake, fitting the wheel. We have the front of the vehicle with wheels on the rear center cap. So center cap. That's exciting right there. Is this kit here. And last we have book 26, episode 26, aired April 7th, 1966. Batman sets the pace. Batman knows the Joker's latest plan is his most fiendish yet. If only he can find the key, he can save the Maharaja and see the Clown Prince back in jail. And this we have the summary of Son of the Demon from 1987. In Barr's novel The Dark Knight, it lowers his guard for once and gives into his feelings for Talia al Ghul. Year by year, 1962, Detective Comics. The Polka Dot Man. This kit, we get left middle frame, left rear frame, screws, and we're going to start building out the chassis some more. Assembling the frame, fitting the frames together, and the result is here. This kit. Very exciting to get to building the chassis parts. And that is it for the unboxing. We'll coming up soon, we'll be doing the actual build. We'll shoot for next Tuesday. If you've played on replay, we'll try to do these builds on Tuesdays, 8 p.m. Eastern. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.